How to add company email in Gmail. Alright, need to manage your company's email right from your personal Gmail account. It's super easy and I will walk you through it. First things first, head over to Gmail setting. You can see a little gear icon at the top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Now simply tap on see all settings right over here. Tap on it. Now navigate to the account and import section. You can see it just at the foot. Tap on it and look for the option that says add another email address. You can see it right over here. Tap on it and a new window will pop up. Here you can type your email address. Now enter your company email address right over here. Then tap on next step. Now before you can send email to the company email, they need to verify that you own the Gmail address. To perform the verification, you have to tap on send verification, then tap on send verification. They will send a confirmation link to your company's email address. Let's go to the company email that I've just got, and here you can see Gmail team have sent me the confirmation. Now simply tap on link to confirm your request, then tap on confirm. The confirmation has been success. Now let's go to the email, and that's it, you are all set. Now you can compose a new email in Gmail. You will see a from drop down menu. Let me show you, and here's the drop down. Click on it and you can choose to send the emails as a personal Gmail or the company email. Easy peasy, right? Let me know in the comment section below if you run into any snacks, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, then forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.